Did you know that elephants use mud and sand to protect their skin from the hot sun?
Hey, could you, put a little sunscreen on my back, dude? Thanks?
Dance with the elephant. Dance with the elephant. Move right along with the elephant song. Dance with the elephant, yeah. Dance with the elephant. Dance with the elephant. We're having fun in the African sun. Dance with the elephant, yeah. Stomp your feet to the elephant beat while the drums go blunkety blunk. Listen as he blows a crazy solo right out of his elephant trunk. Dance with the elephant. Dance with the elephant. Dance with the elephant, yeah. Dance with the elephant, yeah. Dance with the elephant. Dance with the elephant. Dance with the elephant, yeah.
Marshmallow! Suspenders! Beehive! Huh?
Boy, these landings are like totally doing a number on my back, man.
We don't have time for chiropractics! I told you a story about to get an answer!
We got the answer, boss. We know what happens when you flush the toilet.
Yeah, when you flush, the water goes from a small pipe in your bathroom to a big pipe under your street to an even bigger pipe in your neighborhood.
That pipe goes to a place called a wastewater treatment facility, which makes dirty water clean again.
First, giant screens stop all the big junk from getting inside the facility.
Next, the water is left to settle so the dirt and muck sink to the bottom and the grease and oil float to the top.
Then, giant machines remove all that gross stuff. Blah!
Next, good microorganisms are put into the water and they gobble up the bad bacteria that are swimming around.
They get so full from their feast that they sink to the bottom. That way, the cleaner water can move on.
Finally, bleach and ultraviolet light are used to destroy anything bad that's still left in the water.
That's called disinfection.
And once it's done, the clean water is sent back to rivers, lakes, streams, oceans, and seas, creating more safe water for everyone. And that's what happens when you flush the toilet.
Just give me that tape.